Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set custom pages to print on Google Task. So first of all, we want to open Google Tasks. So for making the pages to custom, first you just need to print something. So for that, you're on the task. Here is a section you can see here tasks, and on the right side of that you can see three dots. Click on that, and here is an option you can see here print list. Click on that. And then here on the right you can see here menu options, and here is an option you can see here pages, and here you can see that it had been selected to all. Click on that, and from here you can just choose custom, and now you can see that you had been set your pages to custom on Google Task, and from here you can just type the page numbers. So this is how you can just change the pages to custom to print on Google Task. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.